We turn now to Chicago, where violent protests erupted early this morning. Hundreds swept through the Magnificent Mile, an upscale shopping district there, as you know, looting stores and clashing with police. Videos on social media showing crowds breaking windows and entering luxury retailers, and demonstrators even exchanged gunfire with police at one point. Alex Perez is in Chicago. And Alex, what's the latest from police right now?
Hey, Ariel, just some really jarring images coming out of Michigan Avenue. Now, we still have a lot of unanswered questions, but as you mentioned, this is sort of an upscale luxury area lined with these luxury stores. The neighborhood in that area also mostly affluent. It's called the Gold Coast. And authorities say this all started at about midnight. They say hundreds of looters moved into the Michigan Avenue area and started shattering windows to many of these businesses, stealing the merchandise, and in many cases, filling their cars with the merchandise and taking off. Authorities say this was so well coordinated that it seemed other cars, sort of a caravan of looters, were coming through the area and stealing merchandise. This all went on for several hours, started about midnight, and authorities say it wasn't until about 3 or 4 in the morning that they were able to get things mostly under control. There were also reports of shots fired at police officers. Authorities say no officers were struck. Now, several of those looters were arrested, but at this point, we still just don't really know what triggered all of this. But as you might imagine, Ariel, just a lot of unrest and uneasiness seeing this unfolding here in downtown Chicago.
Absolutely, Alex. It's scary to see that flare up there. Thank you for monitoring the latest. We appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.